Okay, switch me real quick because I want them to see me opening my first can of pop in a long time. Ready, guys?
Alright, so we got a request where we had to eat chips.
And drink a Coca-Cola,
But we don't have Coca-Cola.
So we're substituting it for Mountain Dew.
White out.
Plus, I don't even like Coca-Cola anyways.
So whoever, username, whatever, you go.
I forgot your username, I'm sorry.
Hey, they have to like watch us eating it.
But they can't.
Yeah, they can.
Here, hold on. Here we go.
Alright.
Here we go. Oh, jeez.
Go. Chug it.
Oh my goodness. That was awful. I can feel the bubbles going down my body.
Guys are torturing us.
Especially me.
We just made a video like 2 minutes ago and I just drank this whole thing. Oh jeez.
Maybe you shouldn't have drank that whole thing.
I didn't know we were gonna do this.
Last bite. Oh my goodness. Why?
Is that good enough?
We haven't farted yet.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Does your stomach hurt?
Yes. I can't fart.
I can't drink anymore.
You say you can't drink anymore.
I'm not even done. It's like right here.
Keep going.
Okay, fine. Just for you guys. All done.
I'm not. Ugh. Ah. Why? Is that good?
Wait.
Oh, a little bit more.
I don't really like those chips.
Well, that's bye.